Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of 123 PC Solutions. We have another broken screen laptop. This is gonna be an HP. I already took it off. I'll make another video next time about how to remove the screen from this laptop. As you can see here, this is HP 15-DW0083WM screen. Okay, you gotta make sure that you have the right model number before you order the screen, because then you get the wrong one. Sometimes these screens are universals, so you'll be okay. So if you made a mistake there. Okay, so as you can see, I already removed the screen, and I also already got the new one. All right, perfect. I just got it today. Now remember, we have a promotion running this month. If you repair your laptop with us, you'll get a free Office 365 unlimited, so the Office 365 will never go down. Our phone number is gonna be 786-422-0705, or you can visit us at www.123pcsolutions.com in Miami, Florida. All right, let's get to this. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna plug in the port right here. Okay. You gotta make sure everything's inside. That looks good. Okay, perfect. Now let's put it back in here so you can test it out before anything. Now let's hope this computer has charge. Just turn it on. And there you go. That's it. Easy picket. These are the easiest laptops to do the screen. It's a plug and play. All right, perfect. So we're gonna wait for computer to boot up, and then we're gonna turn it off. So guys, remember, don't forget, this is our phone number here. As you can see here, it's gonna be 786-422-0705. Okay. All right, everything looks good. Always make sure to turn it off, shut it down. All right. Now that the computer is shut down, we're gonna remove the protective the film. You gotta do everything. You gotta do really, really slow. You don't wanna mess up the screen. There you go, perfect. So now you got the cover. Now, hold on, just give me 1 second. I forgot something. This is very important to do. All right, I'm back. Let me do this because sometimes the sticks in the back of the laptop port, sometimes they get loose. So what I do is I always put a little bit of tape on it, just in case. a little bit here so it's secure. It doesn't move. There you go. But for now, I'm 100% sure it's not gonna get loose there in the back there. Okay, so now, as you can see, this front vessel was broken from this side and that side there, so I just glue it in. You know, something extra for the customer. I didn't charge anything for that. You always gotta please your customers. All right, let me see what's going on there. Let me get my tools. Yep, push that a little bit in the back there. There you go. Push it back there. Okay. And now carefully, you gotta push it in there. Yeah, be careful with this, because you can break pins in the back there. All right, that went through. Okay, now let's do on this side now. Okay, come on, there you go. That's the way I like it. Okay, let's make sure this is all back here. I carefully do this one because it was broken. All right. So this other side here. And we gotta be careful because you can break the screen really easier. This was the other side that was broken too. Okay, there you go. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna make sure that that one goes through there. Okay, you gotta push this cover in so you attach that front vessel there. Okay, that looks okay. Now let's look in the back here. Let's see if it's lock and secure. Yeah, that looks good there. All right, that looks okay there. Okay, let's turn it on, see what's going on there, see what happens. And that's it, finito. That was an easy one, right? That was a plug-and-play screen. All right, let's shut it down. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit for the client so it's happy and he can give us a 5-star review. All right, everybody, that's it. Good to go. Thank you for watching 123% Solutions.